After a historic snowstorm, things were thawing out, so BBD went shallow.
Oh, look at over there. Look at right there. There's a sand dollar. Look at it. Right away. Unlike the other day, that one's not frozen. So as you can see, still snow on the beach. I mean, this is unbelievable. Oh, look at this. I stepped and almost missed that one. So I'm looking here in the water. I mean, there wasn't as much beach exposed the other day. All right, oh, there we go. Look at this. It's kind of cool. Looking for the keyhole. There's one out there. Yesterday. That's a good one. The snow was right up to the edge of the water in a lot of spots.